Justice Day, Huntingford, do you present your... It's not registered.
I, Officer of the Order of Australia, Public Service Administrator of the Northern Territory of Australia, acting Vice of the Executive Council under Section 2(1) Supreme Court Act. Hereby this moment to appoint Meredith Claire Day to be a judge of the Supreme Court of the Territory of Australia. On the 11th day of June 2004, have, hold, exercise, employ said office under subject to the Supreme Court Act as amended with all rights, powers, privileges, advantages thereto belonging or appertaining.
Court welcomes and acknowledges the presence here today of His Honour of the Administrator Professor Hugh Hickey, the Honourable Sally Thomas, former Administrator and Judge of this Court, Mr Michael Murphy, Commissioner of Police, Ms Gemma Lake, the Chief Executive Officer of the Department of Attorney General and Justice, Mr Peter Shawyer, Ombudsman and Information Commissioner, Mr Jeswin Yogaratnam, Anti-Discrimination Commissioner, Mr Nikolai Kriskrup, Solicitor General for the Northern Territory, Ms Naomi Loudon, Acting Independent Corruption, Mr Hamish Badley, Honorary Consul for Denmark, other distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. The judges of this court congratulate you on Justice Huntingford. You're a very welcome addition to this bench, and we all wish you the very best in the role. At a structural level, with your appointment, female judges now constitute the majority of the permanent judges of this court. That's a mark of just how far our community has come in terms of gender equality and removing the barriers to the progression of female practitioners through the legal profession. At a personal level, much is about to be said by those who will address the court this morning about your qualities and achievements. As will be clear from those speeches, yours is a most deserving appointment. You've got a very broad, diverse experience in the law, which includes as a solicitor partner at a law firm, as a legal academic at the Charles Darwin University, as a government solicitor with the Northern Territory Attorney General's Department, including extended period acting as the Chief Executive Officer of that department, as a judge of the local court, and most recently as an acting associate judge of this court. That very diverse experience and your broad skill set make you particularly equipped and perhaps even uniquely equipped for the duties of this position. Your appointment is a reflection of your professional expertise, your intellectual ability, your sound judgment, your work ethic, and your unfailingly good nature, which you have demonstrated over, it may shock you to know, almost 40 years in the Northern Territory legal profession. Both the court and the community are very fortunate to have you in this role, and yes, thank you, Mr. Solicitor.
You made lifelong friends. Very long. Shared many interests. One such interest was willful disobedience to the school bylaws, and in particular what you and your friends saw as a mean-spirited prohibition on leaving the school grounds at night time. In a well-executed conspiracy, as a group, under the cover of darkness, you were often in the habit of leaving your rooms using the windows and scaling the ball down via the downpipe. Foolhardy means of escape, perhaps, but perhaps an understandable one, but given that the choice was between pizza in the city with your friends and the slop served up by the school kitchen. The other interest shared by you and Mr. Puritan was evidently all things long gone. At your joint matriculation, Chris topped the state in modern history, and Your Honour matched that action when moving to admission at this court. Looking at her academic transcripts, had there been an industry in history, clearly would have pursued that career. Luckily for the territory, Your Honour chose the law, and no doubt also well armed with the 12 prize that you won from Huntingford. Your Honour pursued a Bachelor of Arts and a Bachelor of Laws degrees at the Adelaide University. You were known to work up to 3 to 4 jobs at the time at the bar at the Adelaide Oval. I am told that you would often return from your stint. Following the completion of the double degree, Your Honour's gaze fell on Darwin, and when you offered articles of clerkship with the Department of Law. So it was that you moved north in the late 1980s, soon striking up friendships with the likes of Michael Grant and Greg McDonald. It was during this time that you crossed paths with Steve Huntingford, or rather, according to his version of events, you crossed his path, literally, at the old Hotel Derby. And thus a lifelong love was ignited. As a young couple, you enjoyed having dinners together at Jesse's, or what is now known as Parat Tavern. They had a special back then, a steak and a bottle of Jacob's Creek, or get this, $10. All you needed was $20 between you and you were set for the evening. Those were the days. You married young and have 3 children. Kate, to whom you refer to as Dr. Kate. Tom is currently studying